Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 151st edition release. And so not only is this Emma's birthday month, it's also her anniversary month of being in business for 15 years. So make sure you wish her a happy birthday and a happy anniversary as well. So today we're introducing something new. To celebrate this special month, she is releasing a new Let's Celebrate kit. This kit includes one paper pack, 2 ephemera packs, and 1 small stamp set. So everything we're showcasing today will be available for purchase tomorrow, Thursday, May 15th, 2025 at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The sale will end on Friday, May 16th at midnight Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase starting tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I am going to start out by showing you this release, and then we're going to get into what I made. Here goes the stamp set. It's adorable. I love it, and it's perfect for her celebration month. So really like those. And then these are loopy tags and banner ephemera set. So I'll show you those a little bit more close in just a second. And then we have the birthday celebration ephemera, and these are adorable, and I'll show you those a little bit more close. But first off, we're going to get into this paper. It's called Let's Celebrate 2025, and you can see all of those colors there, but I'm going to show you a little bit more close, of course. So let's jump into these papers. So we have the yellow with balloons and cupcakes on the back side, and that's how all of them will be. We have like a tomato orange. And we have like a teal blue, turquoise, the lime green, a little bit darker green, really cute. We have pink, of course, with the cupcakes and the balloons. And then there's the orange. And here we go. Like I said, I will show you that a little bit more up close and personal. So here goes the birthday celebration set. So we have some teddy bears with cupcakes. I mean, who doesn't love that? And keep in mind, I've already used some of these, so I've been crafting, so this is not even half of them. She gives you a lot to have plenty time for crafting, but I don't want to take up all of your time. I'm just going to kind of show you those really quickly. Really cute. Super adorable. I mean, look at that. You get a lot in here to craft with. So that's the birthday set. And then we have the loopy banners. So we get a ton of these. So these are based on her previous die set. But then she also has other sizes in here too, and other styles. So keep in mind, once again, that I have been crafting, so I have used some of these already, but really cute. And you also get some banners in these as well, but I've used quite a bit of those. There goes a couple of those there. So those are super adorable. Love those. So starting out, I used the traditional Halloween enamel dots. Used a couple of them from here. And then I also used the bright Halloween enamel dots. Keep in mind, these, once they're gone forever. I also pulled out the cute wagon die from last month's release. And this is the 148th edition release, and I used just this right here, these 2 items there. And then the 5x5 card die layers, I used this a couple times. And then we went back. I am using the gingerbread small and medium faces. And I think I'm using this one here, and I'm using the ginger accessories too, and then the sweet ginger person die, and I'm using that there. I also use the rectangle frame die layers, And then some of these items that I'm going to show you now. Oops, let me show you these first. This is from last month's release, the 150th edition release, and I'm using these. Actually, just one of these. I think sending loads of birthday wishes. And then I also used some items out of the retirement section with the price, which the prices have dropped. So it'll be the perfect time to get these. Using the present box. I'm also using the 4x4 fancy card dies. This is my first time using this, and I love this die. Oh my gosh, love it. And then the Stitch Favor box. This is an adorable little box. First time using that too. Okay, I'm going to start out with this cute present box. I didn't use the bow that comes with it, but it's so cute, and I thought I would give it a shot. And it's perfect size to add quite a bit of items in there. I want to say it measures maybe an inch across and maybe like 3.75 up and down or something like that. Not definite, don't quote me on that, but that's just my guess. I did heat emboss that stamp set on top of the ephemera. Worked perfectly. And then I also popped up this little guy with the cupcake. He is adorable. Pop some balloons on top of there. And that is my box. I didn't finish it all the way around, but I just wanted to show you how you could use this if you were to purchase that box. And then here is another item. Actually, this could be a coordinating set here. And I stamped out this and heat embossed it as well. It says let's celebrate, and then I also fussy cut around it. But adorable. And then this is just too cute, and I thought I would pop that on top and make that as a shaker this time. Moves around nicely, but you can't hardly see it, but I do have all of the ephemera on top, but I thought it would look pretty good with that shaker behind it as well. Love this balloon and cupcake paper, just super cute. I didn't finish the inside of the card, but I will. So that's another set that I use. Perfect. And then from last month's release, I pulled out that wagon, threw some of the presents in there, added the balloons behind it, sending loads of birthday wishes was just perfect. That goes with that wagon. Love that. And then there goes that 5x5 card base layer die. And then I just added some brown behind that. And then here goes that sweet, adorable little Ginger card. I thought she's just too cute and perfect. She's been whipping up this birthday cake and wants you to make a wish. So she's adorable. And I love that paper. I thought I would use that for her outfit on the balloon side. But she is just too cute. And I did not finish off the inside of that card either, but I will. But she's adorable. And then that's where I put those enamel dots on this card. And I did use them on this card as well. Just adorable. And then the last set, I made it as a set. So let me show you that. So this is that fancy 4x4 card die. This is one of the ones that will be retiring. Once it's gone, it's gone. So make sure you get over there bright and early tomorrow and pick that up if you'd like to have that. But this was just perfect. I did pop up the little guy, just too cute. And I also heat embossed the big wish big on there, and then I just colored in the hearts there and added some enamel dots on top of there. There goes the inside of the card. I did finish this one and I added some balloons in the inside. But too cute. And like I said, I did make this as a set. So this is that treat box die, and it's under the retirement section. So make sure you pick that up. This has also dropped in price. So make sure you go run over there and get some of those, as well as the new items. They work perfectly together. So come back tomorrow and we'll do a recap and you can go shopping. Oh, and tomorrow we have our hop. So make sure you come back and comment on everybody's videos, follow the designers, and make sure you're 18 years old or older, and you'll have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.